Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were on unit number 7 and we have discussed some of the topic from the unit number 7. Okay, so the unit number 7 is related to the sports and we have discussed about the various sports like various sports, their various cups, various games, various sporting legends. Okay, sporting legends. So हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात की. So the next topic that I am going to discuss with you all is given at page number 80 and the topic is sports vocab and this is given at page number 80. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 80, that is sports vocab. So what is given in the topic sports vocab? Sports vocab में दिया क्या है? In the topic sports vocab, so certain terms or various terms relating to sports, to the different sports are given. तो आपको पता है बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स में अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं जो अलग अलग टर्म्स यूज़ की जाती हैं. जैसे इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द क्रिकेट, सो इन द क्रिकेट वी यूज़ द टर्म्स रन्स या स्कोर यूज़ करते हैं कि इसके इतने स्कोर हुए. ओके, बट वहीं अगर हम फुटबॉल की बात करें सो इन दैट स्कोर दे टॉक अबाउट द गोल्स कि कितने गोल्स हुए. तो ऐसे ही दे आर सर्टेन अदर टर्म्स. ओके, LBW, रन आउट. सो दीज ऑल टर्म्स आर रिलेटेड टू द cricket. Red card, yellow card, these terms are related to the hockey and the football. So every sports, every game, they have their own some terms. Okay, so in this topic we are going to discuss about some of the vocabulary words, okay, some of the vocabs that are related to the some certain sports. So here it is given, write the name of the sports below each picture, draw lines to match the sport terms in the ladder to the correct picture. So we have to write down. So here in this topic you can see the picture is given. यहाँ पे एक picture दी हुई है बेटा. Okay, so pictures of certain sports are given and here in between a ladder is given. So while observing the picture we have to select the appropriate term to that particular sport. तो यहाँ पे अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स की पिक्चर्स दी हुई हैं और आपको देखना है इसमें से जितनी भी इस लैडर के ऊपर एस, गुगली, ड्रंक, penalty kick, tea, frozen balls, all these terms are given and we have to write down the appropriate term with its correct game, with the sports with which it is in which it is being used. Okay, so the first picture, so you can see the first picture. In this first picture a player is making a basket. Okay, so they are playing basketball. The first picture में you can see the players are playing basketball. So the terms that is related to the basketball from this given ladder is dunk. D-U-N-K, dunk. Okay. So, sorry, I just didn't. Okay, so I'm just writing the topic first. That is sports vocab. Sorry, I just forgot to write the topic. The topic is sports vocab and it is given at page number 80. Sports vocab is given at page number 80. So the first sport जिसकी पिक्चर मैंने आपको दिखाई, this is basketball. So in this basketball, the term related to the basketball is dunk. D-U-N-K, dunk. So the first one is basketball and the term related to the basketball is dunk. D-U-N-K, that is dunk. D-U-N-K, dunk. Moving next to the second one. So the second picture that you can see in your book. So this is the second picture. So in this you can see a player is playing golf. So he is a golfer. So the player who is playing the golf is known as golfer and the term related to the game golf. तो इसमें से दी हुई टर्म्स में से which term is related or is suitable with the golf, that is T. T-E-E-T. Okay, so in the second blank write down golf. is of a golf game. Okay, it's of golf sport, and the term related to it is tee. T. Moving next to the third one. In the third picture, you can see a player is getting ready to kick a ball. So, एक player है जो ball he is placing the football so that he can make a kick with that with his leg, so that he can kick the ball. Okay, so this is a game that is known as football. So the term related to the football is, that is penalty kick. Okay, so the term related to the football is, penalty kick. penalty. That is penalty kick. So the term related to the football is penalty kick. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth one is, so here you can see, okay, so this game is billiards. So this is billiards, okay, and the term that is related to the billiards is frozen ball. Okay, so billiards is played on a very large table. Okay, so certain balls, 6 balls are placed in on that one, and that table contains certain holes on it, and the player has to hit that ball with the help of a stick that they are holding in their hands, so that they can make all the balls fell into the different holes, 6 different holes that are made on that billiards table. Okay, and the term related to this billiards is frozen ball. That is known as frozen ball. So the next game is billiards. billiards. And the term related to the billiards is frozen ball. frozen. That is frozen ball. So the term related to the billiards is frozen ball. So these are the answers for the first 4 pictures. The first picture is a basketball, and the term related to the basketball is dunk. Second picture is golf, and the term related to it is tee. Third picture is of a football, and the term related to it is penalty kick. Whereas the fourth picture is of billiards, and the term related to the billiards is frozen ball. Done? Chaliye. Moving next to the fifth one. So let's see what is given in the fifth picture. So in the fifth picture you can see it's a picture of a cricket game. Okay, cricket game ki picture hai. So in which the 2 players, one is doing the batting and other is doing the bowling. Okay, so with this the term related to the cricket is, that is googly. So googly is a kind of a ball that is being given by the bowler to the batsman. Okay, so this the term related to the cricket is googly. So write down the answer for the fifth one. The fifth picture is of cricket, cricket, and the term related to the cricket is googly. googly. That is googly. Moving next to the sixth one. Okay, so the last picture that you can see here is, this is the picture in which the player is playing the lawn tennis. So this is a picture of a tennis, on the lawn tennis you can see. Okay, and the term related to the lawn tennis is ace. ACE, ace. Okay, so the last picture is of tennis. TENNIS, tennis, and the term related to the tennis is ace. ACE. That is ace. Okay, so this is ace. Fifth is cricket, sixth is tennis. Done? Chaliye. Moving next to the tidbit that is given below. The tidbit is, some sports terms have been named after the sports persons. Example, hack a shack. A defense strategy in basketball is named after the Shaquille O'Neal. The Diego Maradona move, another name for a 360 spin in football, is named after the Diego Maradona. Okay. So देखिए आपने देखा बहुत सारी जो terms that are being used in the various sports. So some of the terms that are being used in these sports, they are named after the legendary players of that particular game. तो बहुत सारे legendary players हैं जिनके नाम पे अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स में अलग अलग मूव्स का नाम रखा गया है. सो here they have given the two examples. The first is hack a shack. Hack a shack. So hack a shack is a strategy. It's a defense strategy in basketball. Hack a shack is it's a defense strategy in basketball, and this is hack and shack. Hack a shack strategy is named after one of the legendary player of basketball, whose name is Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille O'Neal. So this is the name of the legendary basketball player. Okay, and this move, that is hack a shack move, is being used. Okay, is being named after this great personality. Next is another move that is related to the football, that is known as Diego Maradona move. That is Diego Maradona move. So Diego Maradona was a legendary Argentina footballer. So वो अर्जेंटीना की एक legendary footballer हैं Diego Maradona. Okay, so he was a legendary footballer of Argentina, and there is a move in which a player, जब कोई player in a football, when he spins 360 degree before making a kick, जब कोई player 360 degree पे घूम के कोई kick मारता है 360 spin करके, if he makes a kick, okay, so that is known as Diego Maradona move. Okay, so Diego Maradona move is named after the great Argentina footballer. His name is Diego Maradona, in which if a player spins 360 degree, so that move is known as Diego Maradona move. Clear? So this was from the topic, that is sports vocab. Now here, after this topic, I'll talk about some of the current affairs related to the sports, especially about the Olympics. Okay, so all of you are very well aware of it, that recently the Olympics were conducted, and India has won 7 medals in the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Okay, so India has got 7 medals in Tokyo Olympics 2020. So in this topic, now we will talk about the Olympics. So I'm going to write down some of the key points related to the Tokyo Olympics 2020, and you all have to write it in on your notebooks. So everybody kindly open your GK notebooks and write down these terms related to the Tokyo Olympics 2020. So this is a current affair related to Olympics. Okay, and देखिए मैंने आपको हमेशा बताया, GK is not only limited to your book only. GK is never limited, general knowledge is never limited to your books. So it is beyond that as well. Okay, चलिए. So now let's write about the various great athletes of India. Okay, Olympics players. Okay, those who have got medal in the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Okay, and all these terms you have to write in your notebook. So open your notebooks and write it in it. So now we are talking about Tokyo Olympics 2020. जो Tokyo Olympics 2020 थे, so some key points I'm going to write here. So first of all, I'll write down the host, who has hosted the Tokyo Olympics. Okay, so the host of the Tokyo Olympics was Tokyo, Japan. So Tokyo is the name of a city, it's the capital of Japan as well, Tokyo, Japan. So who was the host of Tokyo Olympics 2020? That is Tokyo, Japan. Okay, so Olympics started. So at what date it was started? So Tokyo के जो Olympics हुए थे, वो कब start हुए थे? So Tokyo Olympics were started on or began on started, okay, अब beginning लिखेंगे, not started, we will write it as beginning, okay, आगाज होता है ना beginning, so it begins on, it begins on 23rd July 2021. So Tokyo Olympics was hosted by Tokyo, Japan. Second is it begins on 23rd July 2021. Next, concluded. Okay, that lesson concluded. So when did it concluded? So when was Tokyo Olympics concluded? Tokyo Olympics concluded on 8th August. Tokyo Olympics were concluded on Tokyo Olympics were concluded on 8th August 2021. Okay, Tokyo Olympics were concluded on 8th August 2021. After this, medals. Medals got by our players, of medals India got. Okay, so how many medals did India got? Medals for India. इंडिया की कैटेगरी, इंडिया के लिए इंडिया की झोली में कितने मेडल्स आए? ओके, सो इंडिया गॉट 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze. India got 7 medals, in which 1 is gold, 2 is silver and 3 are bronze. So after this we will write down the name of the sports and name of the games as well as the name of the players, those who have got those who have won these medals as well. So first of all, write it down in your notebooks. Tokyo Olympics 2020 hosted by Tokyo, Japan, begins on 23rd July 2021, concluded on 8th August 2021, and medals for India was 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze. Clear? Chaliye. So now we will write down the different categories of the medals, okay, that India got, along with the name of the players and their sports in which they have achieved such medals. Okay, तो किसने किसके sports में कौन कौन सा मेडल जीता? So we will talk about it as well. So the first is gold. So gold medal. So first of all we will talk about gold medal. So India got only 1 gold medal, that's in javelin throw, and it was won by नीरज चोपड़ा. तो नीरज चोपड़ा ने जैवलिन थ्रो में, ओके, नीरज चोपड़ा ने बेटा जैवलिन थ्रो में गोल्ड मेडल जीता है टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स 2020 में. ओके, सो राइट डाउन. ओके, सो द गोल्ड is got by नीरज. It is, so who has won the gold medal? That is won by नीरज Chopra, and he has got this medal in javelin throw. Name of the sports is javelin. Name of the sports is javelin throw. Okay, so India has got gold medal in javelin throw and it was won by Neeraj Chopra. Okay. Okay, so first is gold medal and it is gold medal was won by Neeraj Chopra in javelin throw. Chalo, moving next to the silver medal. Okay, so India got 2 silver medals as well. Okay, तो इंडिया की झोली में 2 सिल्वर मेडल्स भी आए हैं. So silver medal. Okay, so India got 2 silver medal. The first is Mirabai Chanu. मीरा बाई चानू, okay. So the first silver medal is won by Mirabai Chanu in weightlifting. She has won silver medal in weightlifting. Okay, so this is the first medal जो हमारी झोली में आया भी था बेटा, that was won by Mirabai Chanu in weightlifting. So this was the first silver medal. Okay. Next silver medal is won by Ravi Kumar Dahiya, and he has won the silver medal in wrestling. Okay. The next second medal is won by Ravi Kumar. Second silver medal was won by Ravi Kumar Dahiya, and he has won the silver medal in, उनको silver medal किसमें मिला था? He has won the silver medal in, Mirabai Chanu has got left, Ravi Kumar Dahiya has won in wrestling. WRESTLING. Okay, that is wrestling. Okay, so the first was gold medal won by Neeraj Chopra in javelin throw. Second is silver medal won by Mirabai Chanu in weightlifting and Ravi Kumar Dahiya in wrestling. Clear? So this is the description about the gold medal and the silver medal. After this, India has also got 4 bronze medals. So let's talk about them. So India has also got the 4 bronze medals. So now we will talk about the bronze medal. Okay. Okay, so second and the next is bronze medal. BRONZE, bronze medal. Okay, so who has won the bronze medal? So India has won 4 bronze medals. So India को 4 bronze medal मिले. So the first bronze medal is, we'll talk about, that is got by, पहला bronze medal किसने लिया? So हमसे याद नहीं है line wise. So एक bronze medal किसने लिया? Men's hockey team. Okay, so that is got by men's. Okay, that is got by men's hockey, men's, just a minute. So the first bronze medal जिसको कांस्य पदक बोला, that is got by men's hockey team, and definitely it's a hockey team, so definitely they have got the medal in hockey. तो इंडिया को किस में मिला? Generally in hockey, HOCKEY. Okay, even the women hockey team, they also went to the semi-final, but they lost the match in the semi-final. They won the semi-final. Okay, so they went to the semi-final, and in the semi-final they lost the match. Then they had to compete for the bronze medal, and they also lost that match. But they, as you know that जो Indian women's hockey team है, they have participated in the Olympics only for the 3 times. This is the 3rd time they were. This was the 3rd time that they were participating in the Olympics, and they have knocked out Australian hockey team, women's hockey team, who was a 3-time gold winner. तो उन्होंने जो विमेन हॉकी टीम थी उन्होंने बेटा जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया की टीम थी जिन्होंने 3 बार गोल्ड मेडल जीता है हॉकी में, उनको बाहर कर दिया था. ओके, एंड इंडिया हैड प्लेड ओनली फॉर द 3 टाइम्स इन द ओलंपिक्स. Okay, and this was the third time that they have defeated the Australian women hockey team. After men hockey team, the next medal is also the bronze medal is got by PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu, SINDHU. Okay, so the another bronze medal is got by PV Sindhu, and she has got this bronze medal in badminton. She has got this bronze medal for her country in this game, that is badminton. उनको बैडमिंटन में ब्रॉन्ज मेडल मिला. So in okay, so PV Sindhu has got bronze medal in badminton. Okay. Next, another medal, bronze medal. Okay. After PV Sindhu, the third bronze medal is got by Bajrang Punia. So Bajrang Punia, he has also won the bronze medal in wrestling. देखिए जो अभी हमसे पहले हमने रवि कुमार दहिया की बात की, he has also got the bronze medal in wrestling. But you know there are certain categories of these matches. तो देखिए 57 category, 57 kg, 62 kgs. So these are the different categories under which the wrestling and the other matches are being held. Okay, and जो बजरंग पूनिया और रवि कुमार दहिया बेटा, they both were wrestlers, and they both बजरंग पूनिया has got bronze medal, whereas Ravi Kumar Dahiya has got silver medal. Okay, but they were wrestling, but in the two different categories. Okay, so you don't get confused about it, so that's why I have explained it in detail. So they both were wrestlers. Okay, दोनों के दोनों wrestlers हैं, but they have fought in the wrestling match under the different categories, weight. Okay, so third is won by Bajrang Punia, BAJRANG, Bajrang Punia, and he has got Bajrang Punia. So Bajrang Punia has won the bronze medal in wrestling. He has also got the bronze medal for wrestling. Okay, he has also got the bronze medal for wrestling. Moving next to the fourth one. देखिए पहला men's hockey team, second PV Sindhu, and the third was Bajrang Punia. So after Bajrang Punia, the fourth bronze medal is won by Lavlina Borgren. Okay, so next bronze medal got by Lavlina Borgren, and she has won this bronze medal under the boxing. So it's a kind of a different, that is welterweight boxing. So that's a kind of a boxing category. तो ये boxing category का ही है. Okay, so she has got bronze medal in welterweight boxing. So here I'm just writing it here. Okay, so that is Lavlina. She got Lavlina Borgren, BORGHAIN. Lavlina Borgren, she has won bronze medal in welter, welterweight boxing. Okay, welterweight boxing, full stop. Okay, so these are the different bronze medal that was won by some of the great Indian players in the Olympics. The first one was got by the men's hockey team, second was got by PV Sindhu, third was Bajrang Punia, and the fourth is Lavlina Borgren. Okay, so you have to write all these points in your notebooks. Okay, the previous one gold medal, silver medal सब mention करेंगे बेटा अपने notebook में. Okay, and you have to learn it. So this is a part of your current affair. So after every topic we will do, after every unit we will do some of the current affairs as well. Okay. So this was from today's session as well. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.